You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Brazilian artist and painter. For more confusing names of famous painters, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons coming up and many mispronounced names, so stay tuned until the end. The Brazilian pronunciation is as Romero Britto. Romero Britto. Britto. Romero Britto. In English, the English pronunciation, Romero Britto, or the Americans say it as Romero Britto. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.